Today we are going to study the short-run equilibrium. So, according to Keynes' theory, economy is equilibrium when aggregate demand for goods and service is equal to aggregate supply during a period of time. So, equilibrium is achieved when AD is equal to AS. We prove that AD is equal to C plus I and AS is equal to C plus S. So, C plus I is equal to C plus S, or I is equal to S, or S is equal to I. According to Keynes, there are two approaches for determining the equilibrium level of income. So first is aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach, and then second is saving and investment approach. And the assumptions for these approaches are: determining of equilibrium output is studied in the context of two-sector model, household and the farm. That is, there is no government and no foreign sector. Second, it is assumed that investment expenditure are autonomous. Price level is assumed to be constant. Equilibrium output is to be determined in the context of short run. So the first, we are going to study the aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach. For this, I have a better answer for that. That is, equilibrium level of income is determined at the point of when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. Aggregate demand represents the total expenditure of final goods and service in economy. It is constant, and A is equal to consumer expenditure, and C and B investment expenditure, that is I, that's AD is equal to C plus I. And aggregate supplies refers to the total production of final goods and service in an economy. In other words, it refers to the economic's national product or national income. Thus, A is equal to Y. The equilibrium level of income is determined at the point where AD is equal to AS. That given diagram will illustrate the idea, and here the diagram and here the explanation. And the second point after this is AD is less than AS and AD is more than AS. For AD is less than AS, हम ये करेंगे कि इसमें जो इसका मतलब होता है, it means that the farm and consumer together will be buying less goods. The farm are willing to produce. जितना farm ने सोचा है कि हम जैसे 100 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, बट जो कंज्यूमर है वो सोच रहा है कि हम 80 ही कंज्यूम करेंगे, तो जो 20 यूनिट बच रहा है वो तो अनप्लान्ड इन्वेंट्री बच रही है. फॉर टू क्लियर द अनवांटेड इंक्रीज इन इन्वेंट्री, फार्म plan to decrease the employment and output level. Equilibrium is back to the equilibrium level where AD is equal to AS, and then AD is equal to AS. इसमें क्या रहेगा कि जो कंज्यूमर है वो और डिमांड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्रोड्यूसर ने सोचा कि मैं 100 यूनिट बनाऊंगा और 200 इन्वेंट्री सोचा था बना के रखूँगा, बट कंज्यूमर है वो एक पूरे 120 ही खरीद रहे हैं, तो जो प्रोड्यूसर की प्लान इन्वेंट्री है वो तो डाउन चली जाएगी. इसलिए जो प्रोड्यूसर रहेगा वो इंक्रीज करेगा अपना एम्प्लॉयमेंट और प्रोडक्शन लेवल कि वो वापस इकोनॉमी को उस इक्विलिब्रियम में लेके आ जाए जहाँ AD इज इक्वल टू AS होगा. एंड देन सेकेंड अप्रोच, अकॉर्डिंग टू सेविंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अप्रोच. According to this approach, the equilibrium level or income is determined when planned saving is equal to planned investment. For this, I have a better answer. This, at equilibrium, AD is equal to AC plus I, that's C plus SC, C cut, I is equal to S, S is equal to I. And then here is the table. Income is income, consumptions or savings equal to income minus saving consumption. Or here the investment is autonomous. And then here the explanation. The given table and diagram shows that equilibrium level of income is 300 crore at the point of S 100 and I is equal to 100. And the next topic is C, as saving is less than investment and saving is more than investment. Saving is less than investment if planned saving is less than the planned investment, that is before the point, it means that the household are consuming more and saving less than what the firm expect them to. As a result, planned inventory would fall below the desired level. To bring the inventory back to the desired level, the plan to increase the production till the saving investment is equal to investment. इसमें क्या कह रहा है कि जो सेविंग है वो जो हमारे नॉर्मल लोग हैं वो कम कर रहे हैं, मीन्स वो कंज्यूम बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो जो प्लान इन्वेंट्री रहेगी वो तो फॉल हो जाएगी. इसीलिए वो उसको बढ़ाने के लिए जो प्रोड्यूसर रहेगा वो और इंक्रीज़ करेगा. और इसमें क्या है, इसका जस्ट अपोजिट है कि जो कंज्यूमर्स है वो सेविंग ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं, मीन्स वो ज़्यादा कम बाय कर रहे हैं, तो जितना भी वो प्रोड्यूस किया होगा वो तो ख़रीदा नहीं जाएगा, तो प्लान इन्वेंट्री वो तो इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी कि और भी जो पहले 20 बचा के रखा था अब उसकी जगह 70-80 बच जाएंगे। तो जो फर्म रहेगी वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल कम करेगी और प्रोड्यूस भी कम करेगी कि वापस इकोनॉमी से इक्विलिब्रियम में आ जाए। देन थैंक यू।